Hey everyone, happy Saturday. We are over here at our new listing, 4431 Marblehead Lane. We are doing an open house till 3 o'clock. We have some goodies from Hamby's, sandwiches, cupcakes, mimosa stuff. And if you visit our townhouse and then the Stanley Martin model home, and then a couple of the mid-construction homes that they have available, you will be entered to win a $100 Visa gift card. So nice little treat for coming out and seeing some beautiful homes. This is a 2.5. It's 1,700 square feet. It has a 2-car drive under. I'm gonna flip you guys around, do a little walkthrough so you can kind of see the layout. This is the stair landing and the foyer from when you walk in. So you come up, you've got a really cool, I'll just pop down here quick because I think this is worth showing you guys. This is the main entrance, obviously, and then this door goes to a separate storage area of the garage. So right now, obviously, they're just using it as storage, but you could really wall this off, still have a 2-car garage, still have your private entrance, and then use this as a rental, an Airbnb, make it into a bathroom, bedroom, or into, like I said, an office or a playroom. And then you still have an awesome 2-car drive under garage. So cool option there. So I'll take you guys upstairs. The owners, this was just built less than 2 years ago. They put over 37 grand worth of upgrades in here. So they did engineered hardwoods all throughout. Here's your powder room. In here you've got upgraded refrigerator, cabinets, stove and hood, light fixtures, and that whole tile wall. I'm just obsessed with that. It's great tile work. And it overlooks a mix-in pool and club. You've got tons of parking out there if you have visitors. And then this is all, there's Hamby's treats. You've got this whole open dining room and living room. The shiplap was, of course, an upgrade. And then you've got the little deck out here. There's Joel. And then you go upstairs. Oh, there's also surround sound down here and in the master. So then you go upstairs. Excuse my heels. They have an adorable little nursery. So this is one of the guest rooms. They just have it set up so cute in here and really are getting a great use of this space. They also did the upgrade of, like I said, the engineered hardwoods even up here, so there is no carpet. This is the other room. They had a king-size bed in here, so it does fit with a king in here. And then a nice size closet as well. Goes back a little too. And then again, just great views. All this green space, pool, mixing club. They do awesome events throughout the year too, like cool oyster roasts, and they brought like a big screen for the game and just cool things over there. This is the guest bathroom. They upgraded this to the larger tub. Obviously this floor to ceiling tile. Little niche. And then they upgraded these counters, this tile, which I just love, the cabinets, the hardware, and these light fixtures. And then you go around here, you've got the laundry here, which is great. It's right outside of both of the rooms. Super convenient. Got that there. And then I love that the master is on the other side of the 2 guest bedrooms. It just gives it a little separation if you have, kids or visitors. Here's your master suite. So you've got a walk-in closet with a huge window, which is just nice when you're getting ready in the morning. And then here's the master. So they upgraded the fan, the extra 4 can lights. And then the surround sound is also up here as well. And again, just tons of natural light in here and not a bad view from any room. And then this is my favorite part of the entire house, this bathroom. So they upgraded in here the floor, the tile work here, the light fixtures. They did the soapstone counters that they did in the kitchen. This is really cool. You've got a pocket door here for the commode. You can see it's in there. The little pocket door here. They also upgraded all the doors to the matte black finish instead of just basic white, which I just love. And here is the master shower. So they upgraded the tile on the floor, of course, and then the whole floor to ceiling tile in here. It's just beautiful. It's the frameless glass door. They have the little niches, the bench. So just beautiful tile work in here. Really a stunning home and worth coming to check out. So come and see us. If today doesn't work, shoot me a message. We live in the area. I'm more than happy to meet you over here whenever is convenient. And I will see y'all soon. Thanks for watching.